show you guys some of the magic of what I was doing there. All that kind of cool bluesy run stuff. I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing that, the foundations, and some cool pro tips. So you first want to know your E minor pentatonic scale, okay? That's going to be 2 notes per string. Follow me closely. I'm going to play the open E, followed by the 3rd fret E. Would suggest you play that with your middle or 2nd finger. 0, 3. A string is open, and then 1st finger plays the 2nd fret of the A string. And then D string, same thing, 0 to 2, open to 2nd fret. G string, same thing, 0 to 2. As a recap, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2. Then we've got our 0, 3 again on the B string, and then 0, 3 on the high E string. Go ahead and reverse that once you got it. If not, pause and get that down. Ready? You can play blues. So now I'm going to show you the actual blues scale. That was minor pentatonic, E minor pentatonic. Let's go ahead and get into those extra couple of notes that creates that magic, okay? Those are the flatted 5s, and in this case, we're going to be playing the 1st fret of the A string and 3rd fret of the G string, so it's octave. Same note. In this case, officially, by the way, that's a B flat. I don't know if you want to know that, but that is the note, and that gives you that cool secret sauce. Isn't that cool? Now, common ways in which you can use that, I'm going to get into in a second, but before, let me go ahead and show you what it is. We're going to play the open E to the 3rd fret E. Nothing changed. On the A string, we've got 3 notes now. Open, 1st fret, and 2nd fret. Then open D to 2nd fret D. Open G to 2nd fret G. And then 3rd fret of the G. So, to the open high E, open B, 3rd fret B, and open high E, and 3rd fret high E. So nothing changes there. The only change is those 2 notes that I promised you, right? So some of the ways that you're going to see that used, some of the ways you just saw me do it, is a very common thing is to simply do a quick little run or a lead up or lead down, if you will, on this guy here using the 1st fret A string. So you can go sliding from the 2nd to the 1st fret of the A string and the open A string. So you got this nice chromatic thing happening. I went to the 3rd fret of the E and then landed hard on my root note there and made it sing a little bit. That's the D string of the 2nd fret. That's the note of E. That's home. And you can reverse that. You can do stuff. You can do this 1st to 2nd fret. And you see me sliding a lot, but you can do a hammer-on or a pull-off, double pull-off. All you want there. Have fun. You see me sliding a lot more than anything on that. Because it's just kind of conducive for speed and what I'm trying to attain and achieve. The other note, that 3rd fret G, I tend to bend to it, as do most guitar players, from the G string 2nd fret. 1st finger only. If you played any amount of rock riffs, you've definitely seen that. Okay, so you can bend to it, up and back. Hang on that root on the end. That's a great line in of itself. Yes, the 1st finger bending it can be a trick. Takes a little getting used to it, but just take your time, get used to the pain, and welcome to the Thunderdome. The other way you can do it is you'll see me doing a lot of hammer-ons and pull-offs just as before. Or a pull like that, or a little trill, a combination of both. Right, just giving you kind of cool, right? And then you can bring this stuff in and just do a little lead kind of to the root note. And that's it, you guys. Those are the blues notes. That's the blues scale, and some common ways in which you're going to see it played. Some common ways that you can play it yourself and have some fun. If you got some really cool ideas and riffs that you've got, go ahead and link them down below. Comment, let me know, leave some love. Let me know what you learned from this. If you like more of this kind of content, and of course, if you want that chart, I've got it for free on my Patreon page. Go ahead and just click that link down there or wherever it's going to pop up. And on my Patreon, you'll get it completely free. Rock it, jam on it, send me your videos so you guys jamming this out, and I'd love to critique and help you guys with those videos and making you go next level. Totally free. Have fun, you guys.